The first YouTube update is called the account status update. Now it affords you the opportunity to know the status of your account, not just assuming that your account is okay. You can actually check if your account is in good standing. Now you're going to touch this your profile picture here. Now you see this place that says account status. You tap on it. Now you see if you have any violations or anything you are against any of the community guidelines, you see them here, and it will also give you the opportunity to rectify any of those mistakes. Update 2: do you know that you can actually remix any YouTube shot? Now you're going to go to that shot like this. There are two options that you have. You can either use this plus sign to add an image if you want to replace this image, or just add any text, transport to a deep space nebula, anything. Maybe you have something in mind that you already want to do, but for me, I don't really have anything in mind too, because it's just for tutorial. You can also add your image, like I said, if you want to change this image. So you hit generate. Now you see, this is what I got at the end of the day. So basically, an existing shot, it could be your own personal shot that you've made before. You can actually change it with this feature. If you have ideas, like I said before, you can also prompt it in your own way. Feature, you're going to click this plus sign. Now this feature it's basically for motion control. Now when you see an activity or a kind of dance and you want to replicate it, so this is what you can do. Select the make me move option and you choose any of these options that you see here. See all these options you see here. Once you select it, let's select this one, you upload a photo of you. Good. Then you hit generate. So this is like another way to animate a photo, make a photo dance or do anything. You see, like this. So this is the result we got. Go to effects.youtube.com. It will give you the opportunity to be able to create all those amazing effect or photo effect that you usually see on Nano Banana, or all those things that you can use Nano Banana to create. Now you can use effect.youtube.com to create it. You sign up by getting started. Good. Now once you're here, you see the various options you have, right? You upload a photo of you. So you can choose any of all these templates and replicate it with your photo and use it in any of your social media posts, or you can also create from afresh. Okay, on to our next. Go to the Chrome version of your YouTube Studio. It will give you opportunity to be able to know why your video flop, and also give you ideas for your next video. Now you can chat with this AI to review your thumbnail, your video, everything, and basically all in all, at the end of the day, you'll be able to know why your video. Most of the times it will give you a breakdown on what you need to do, how you need to correct it, basically. So that's it. Thank you. Do make sure to subscribe.